रक्षा बंधन। Raksha Bandhan is a famous festival of India. It is also called Festival of Rakhi. It is celebrated in the month of August every year. On this day, sister ties a rakhi on her brother's wrist. Sister prays to God for the safety and good health of her brother. Brother gave gifts to her sister and promised to protect her. Every girl with a brother cherish this day. It is celebrated all over the India. On this day, there is a happy atmosphere in the family. Raksha Bandhan is a festival of love and togetherness. Thanks for watching.